The when and how for reopening is first going to be set by the state, but Governor Northam has said that he'll be giving localities the option to put in tougher restrictions if they deem fit. And today, Mayor LeVar Stoney revealed what his guiding principle will be for that.
I believe any approach to reopening should be slow and steady.
Richmond Mayor LeVar Stoney shares his thoughts on how he'd like the eventual reopening of Virginia to happen. That process could begin as early as May 15th. Governor Ralph Northam will lay out the state's Phase 1 guidelines and restrictions for that on Friday, but said they'll be considered the ground floor, and localities can request to implement tougher restrictions.
Once we see his order or what he has in mind, we will react.
Stoney adds he'll consult with the surrounding counties about their plans, but says his focus will be on Richmond and ensuring consumers feel safe going back to businesses.
I don't think we're ready for bowling alleys to be open yet. I don't think folks are ready to crowd into areas. I don't see mass gatherings happening again.
Also on Thursday, officials updated local efforts on two metrics that are considered key to the reopening process: testing and contact tracing. On the latter, Richmond and Henrico Health Director Dr. Danny Avulu says they've trained 70 volunteers to help their core staff. He adds the central region will likely see an additional 150 workers hired by the state. And as for both of those volunteer and hired positions, Avulu says he hopes a wide array of people will apply, so as they go into different communities, they're able to help build trust among the residents they're serving.
Those of you who are from different cultures or speak different languages are going to be particularly helpful in doing some of that effective investigative work.
As for testing, officials also announced another round of free mobile test sites for underserved communities in Henrico and Richmond. They'll be at Community Supermarket on Monday, Southwood Apartments on Tuesday, and the Eastern Henrico Rec Center on Thursday, but officials say that will also be open to Richmond residents. People who qualify for testing are asked to call 804-205-3501 to set up an appointment. And also on testing, Dr. Avula says that they have now conducted 8 or 9 mass or point of prevalence testing at long-term care facilities in Richmond and Henrico, and are in talks with a few other locations to conduct them as well.